So here we are, Comfort Zone insulating a suspended tile ceiling, and it happens to be in a warehouse for wedding dresses, so or showroom for wedding dresses. So we'll just come through here. You can see there's ducted air conditioning and there's all these downlights, and we've got the rolls of fiberglass bats here, and I've just done the first one here, and this is the process. We just pull out a panel, and these are the rolls, and they just we put them out up in the roof and then just roll them out, right, like so. And this is what it looks like up in here. So it's already very, very hot here, but well, you're not going to be able to see much there. Sorry about that. But anyway, I'll get a light up here and I'll show you what it looks like when we're done.